Hi, this is Nell from Mongoose Enablement Team. This is a continuation of how-to video about Flex Layout. So if you have missed the first part of this lesson, I suggest you to check it first. But if you are now ready and confident using Flex Layout, let's start and discuss more about Breakpoint. Breakpoint is a Mongoose feature that allows the user to create responsive UI designs. It provides a facility that will let the user to create views and design on different peripherals such as mobile, tablet, and desktop. To understand it better, let's start. Go to Design Mode, click Form, Definition, and create a new form. Under the Form category, select Flex, and the wizard should be basic. Click OK, and let's give a name to our form. Under the Option unit, we have to choose between pixel and car. This is the unit of measurement we are going to use in designing form and component sizes. Let's take pixel for this example. After that, click Next and Finish. Let's open now our form and see what we have created so far. On this form, we can notice the pre-created default regions, and under the Layout property, we can see the pixel unit. Next thing I want to show to you is the responsive breakpoint attribute. Just click the ellipsis to open the configuration form. Alongside each devices, we can see some minimum and maximum sizes, which will be the basis when the design will respond. These peripheral sizes can be customized and has the functionality to add new device with corresponding size. Let's now close this and see how the breakpoint works. I'm currently on the default view of the form. First thing we need to do is to update each region's orientation. To do that, go to Flex Layout Properties, click each region, and update the orientation from vertical to fill. This way, we can make sure that all components that we are going to insert will fill the entire region. Next thing, I will create a static field with image on it. Justification is set to center and has no colon. I will do this on the remaining regions. After that, I'll go back to breakpoint attribute and I will shift to desktop view to check how's my design with this specific view. It seems okay for me now since it fit the size of my form with the given size. Now let's check the tablet view. The design looks good also with this view. I'll make another shift to see how's our mobile view. So we can notice here that we don't have enough space on our form, and we don't want to make our images too small. The best thing we can do here is to make them stack in cascading form. To do that, we should modify first the region's orientation. Go to Properties, then update the design type from horizontal to vertical box. After that, click OK. Immediately, we can notice some changes here. From horizontal, the regions are now in vertical view. At this point, seems all designs are okay now. So let's now check our work. Since I'm currently on my desktop, the breakpoint will follow my screen size. So this will show the design we have created for desktop view. But how we can check for other devices? Just press F12, then Ctrl-Shift-M to change your browser into responsive device viewer. This browser feature will just allow us to emulate different device sizes. Now let's just test our work. From desktop view, I will resize my screen to the range we have for tablet. So here we can see how our design reacts based on the current screen size. Let's have our screen smaller to check what will happen when we reach the size for mobile. As expected, our design will change, following the design we have created for mobile view. Every time we change our screen or device, Breakpoint will determine the current size and will provide the right design for that specific device. On this example, we see how flexible Breakpoint is in creating different views of different devices. I hope you've learned something with this video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.